The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, surged by 706.26 points, plus 3.47%, to close at 21,071.23, marking a strong bullish session in the Colombo market. Similarly, the S&P SL 20 index advanced by 222.41 points, plus 3.91%, to settle at 5,909.23, driven by notable gains in blue-chip counters. Overall, the market closed on a highly positive note, reflecting strong investor sentiment, increased buying interest, and broad-based gains across key sectors. Total market activity remained strong, with turnover reaching LKR 4.22 billion, indicating continued investor participation alongside today's sharp index gains. Meanwhile, crossings contributed LKR 425.87 millinewtons, reflecting notable institutional or negotiated transactions. John Keells Holdings plc and Lanka Milk Foods (CWE) plc emerged among the top contributors by traded value, highlighting sustained interest in diversified and consumer-linked counters. The overall market capitalization stood at LKR 7,495.32 billion, underscoring the significant expansion in market value driven by today's broad-based rally. Market activity was heavily dominated by domestic investors, with total domestic purchases amounting to 4,169.70 rupees MN, accounting for an overwhelming 99% of total buying. In contrast, foreign purchases remained subdued at 47.50 rupees MN, around 1%, indicating limited foreign participation on the buy side. On the selling side, domestic investors recorded 3,555.24 rupees MN, while foreign sales stood significantly higher at 661.96 rupees MN, reflecting continued foreign outflows. Overall, the market witnessed strong net domestic buying, which largely drove the day's bullish momentum, while foreign investors remained net sellers, continuing the recent trend of cautious participation. The market's top gainers were led by Kerner House Global Solutions plc, which surged 25.48%, while Renuka Foods plc, voting and non-voting, and Renuka Agri-Foods plc recorded strong double-digit gains, alongside Singer, Sri Lanka, plc rising 14.77%, reflecting robust buying interest particularly in consumer and food-related stocks. Losses were relatively mild compared to the broader market rally, with Serendip Hotels plc and Mercantile Shipping Company plc declining by 2.99% and 2.96% respectively, while LVL Energy Fund plc, Radiant Gems International plc, and Richard Pyrrhus Exports plc recorded modest losses, indicating limited downside pressure amid the day's strong bullish sentiment. The ASPI's strong upward movement was primarily driven by banking and diversified heavyweights, led by Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc and Sampath Bank plc, alongside John Keells Holdings plc. Hatton National Bank plc and Haley's plc also contributed significantly, reflecting strong momentum in banking and diversified sector counters that powered the market rally. Despite the strong market rally, a few counters weighed on the index, led by Lanka IOC plc and LVL Energy Fund plc, alongside Malwat Valley Plantations plc. Sathosa Motors plc and Haley's Fabric plc also contributed negatively, though overall impact remained limited compared to the broader market gains.